before we start our lesson today, let's pray together. Pray begin. Pray finish. Okay. Is there anyone remember what we have learned last week? Direction. Okay. Can you mention three expression of directions? Turn left, and then
Go straight.
go straight. Anyone else?
Turn right.
Turn right. Kalau ada the left, ada the turn right. Okay. So all of you are understand about the expression of direction, right?
Yes.
Okay. So anyone have experience to giving someone direction? No? Dinda pernah? Siapa yang pernah? Please raise your hand. Dinda Bintang. Okay, start from Dinda. When you give your direction?
Di FKIP ke masjid.
Ke masjid dari FKIP
Ke musola.
Musola.
Iya musola. Ya.
ke
dari daerah kantin.
oh dari kantin ke musola. Okay, so when you give the direction, you give the step by step like turn left and turn right, or you just mention the landmarks. Kayak masjid itu di dekat kantin.
Iya.
Gitu.
Belakangnya ini.
Belakangnya ini gitu, jadi langsung gitu ya, enggak belok kanan belok kiri lurus kayak gitu. Oke, kalau Bintang?
Maybe if I order the food
Oh, iya.
I kayak drivernya kayak bosnya makanannya di sini.
Oke, so you just mention the landmarks, right? Gamnya jalan berapa enggak? Mas belok kiri, habis itu belok kanan, terus lurus dikit kayak gitu ya?
Mungkin kalau kayak gitu pas kayak biasanya kalau di rumah bisa kayak ada tanya rumahnya bapak ini di mana ya?
Oke, so
Jadi ada perempatan belok kanan bisa jadi perempatan lagi belok kiri.
okay, good job. Thank you very much, Dinda and Bintang. So, there is the differences when you are giving direction to local people or someone that familiar in this area and to foreign. That is the difference. So today we're going to explore the differences when we are giving direction to local people and to foreign. And then at the end of the lesson, you will be able to identify the important information from the audio, and you can answer the question based on the audio. You can also discuss how to give direction to local people and to foreign. And then the last one, you can understand that direction should be clear, polite, and suitable for the listener. Okay, so before we start our listening today, I will share the worksheet first. Okay, so I'm going to explain the worksheet first. In the top of the worksheet, you can see there is the label.
Yes.
There is the label, the gacuan and topik kenangan. So here is your label of your group. So there are two activities. For the first activity is individual text. For the individual text, you can answer these questions based on the audio that we're going to play. And for the second activity, you're going to be in group. Okay, so in here there is instruction to give the directions to local people and to foreign. Okay, so there is a difference. For the gacuan group, you're going to direction from UNED to Mi Gacuan. Okay, are you familiar with Mi Gacuan, right?
Yes.
Siapa yang pernah Mi Gacuan?
Hello.
Okay, most of you are kalian semua udah pernah datang ke Mi Gacuan kan? So and then for the topik kenangan, there is the instruction. You're going to explain the direction to local people and to foreign. Dari Polije, are you familiar with Polije?
Yes.
Yeah.
Oke, kalian pasti pernah sering sering banget lewat ke Polije kan. And then the destination is Kopi Kenangan. You also familiar with Kopi Kenangan, right? Kopi Kenangan yang di depan sini. Kalimantan. Oke. Are you familiar, Caca? Oke, pasti Caca sering di sana kan? Okay, so let's start the listening activity. I will going to play the audio just twice only. For the first, you need to pay attention to the destination, to the step of direction. You need to also pay attention to a landmarks. And then for the second one, you need to answer the worksheet. Okay? Understand? Understood. Okay. Before we start, anyone want to ask? No? Okay, most of you all understand. Okay, let's start the listening audio. The audio will be start in 3, 2, 1.
Excuse me, how can I get to the public library?
Go straight along Maple Street, then turn right at the traffic light onto Park Street.
Okay, what should I do after that?
Walk past the supermarket. The public library is next to the post office.
Thank you very much. Have a nice day.
For the second way, in 3, 2, 1.
Excuse me, how can I get to the public library?
Go straight along Maple Street, then turn right at the traffic light onto Park Street.
Okay, what should I do after that?
Walk past the supermarket. The public library is next to the post office.
Thank you very much. Have a nice day.
Okay. Semuanya udah selesai belajar worksheetnya? Sudah. Okay, so we move to the next activity because for the first activity we going to discuss is in next week. So now please meet up to your group and sit down. For the Gajuan group, sit down here, and for the Kopi Kenangan, please sit down here. Gimana ya? Kalian bertiga ya? Di sini boleh aku tambah kursi lagi? Yang di sini? Mau nggak di sini? Okay, so do you understand about the instructions?
Yes, miss.
Okay, please understand? Okay, for your group, where's the start for the direction? Unech. To? Okay. Are you familiar with Megajuan, right? Okay. And then for the Kenangan group, where is your start point? Polije to?
Kenangan.
Okay. All of you are familiar, right?
Yes.
Okay, so the discussion is only in 1 minute, so you need to quick, and then after you discuss, you need to share the result of the discussion. Just one student to share it. Okay. Before result, anyone want to ask? No? Caca and Linda, are you understand? Do you understand?
Yes.
Okay. Wait, the discussion start for now. Don't forget
So for the okay, I'm just mentioning one of near Jesus here to keep the clear direction.
Sudah, Miss. Sudah? Sudah Caca, sudah?
Sudah.
Oke, sebentar kita ke grupnya Is dulu. How about you? How about your group? Okay, it's okay. Take your time. For kenangan grup, menu apa yang paling kalian sering beli di kopi kenangan?
Americano.
Americano. Linda?
Ini kokan yang apa itu namanya?
Kenangan manis.
Kenangan mana? Kenangan mantan, bukan? Kenangan mantan. Iya. Nah, Caca?
Tapi yang ada kris jelinya sama yang ada crepe-nya kayak di atasnya ini.
Oh, yang ada wrap-nya itu. Oke, berarti kamu semua udah sering banget nih kalau kenalan ya? Iya nih, ya makanya cepet banget keren. Oke, good job everyone.
Resepsinya sering kopi.
Kok ke ekspresinya? Oh, sebenarnya ya? Penjagaan dua
Nah,
Tapi ada pengalaman kayak Bintang nggak yang ngasih direction the drivernya?
Nah,
Pernah. Ada nggak drivernya yang kesal karena kalian nggak bisa kasih direction?
Ya.
Pernah. Oke, berarti harusnya setelah pelajaran ini kan semua bisa ya ngasih clear direction to the driver. Good job. Oke, ya. Oke, so let's hear your result of discussion from the group kopi kenangan first. Can you stand up? Just stand up if you're please. Itu satu aja nih. Boleh dibagi, boleh satu aja. Dari bareng ya. Aku lokal ya. Boleh. Situationnya for local culture, local person. Jadi start pointnya di Police. Kalau di local person langsung bilang begini UNES, it's right in front of the UNES karena local person pasti udah tahu UNES. Jadi kan-nya di depan UNES, jadi bilang aja di depannya UNES. Oke, good. Okay, thank you for the next. Berdiri.
okay. Okay, so for the situation to foreigner, so karena foreigner belum tahu jalan-jalannya from Police, you can go straight, go ahead until you find the traffic lights, and then you can turn left, and you can go straight again until you see UNED, and the place is in front of UNED.
It's part of
Universitas Negara.
Yes, okay. So the familiar landmark is UNED. So everyone is familiar with UNED, right?
Yes.
But for the foreign, you can say that. Sorry. But for foreign, they may be not familiar with UNED. So you need to
Direct to the UNED.
direct to the UNED. Okay, good job. Thank you, everyone. So what's the difference to local and foreign in your mind? Lebih
Kalau di
Aha.
familiar landmark,
Mhm.
di orange yang jelas,
Yang jelas.
mereka mungkin belum tahu nama jalan-jalannya di kita benar.
Mention.
Ya karena kan beda gitu kan
Okay,
harusnya directionnya.
Okay, good job. But if I can give the feedback for Kenangan Group, you need maybe next time you need to mention the name of the street like Bintang Sewu because they not familiar in this area, right? So maybe they don't know where is the Jalan Kalimantan, where is the Jalan Masjid, something like that. Okay, move to the second group for the joint group. Please explain or please share your result of discussion. Gimana? Aku mau diskusi lagi. It's okay. Okay, please stand up.
For the our person, maybe we can say just near from station.
Station, okay, good. And then for foreign. traffic light, and then you must turn to it, and then you can turn left. And then you can see the traffic lamp again. So in Patran Street, good job. And then you can turn left. So you can see the north nice. So okay, good job. The biggest one is the in front of nice. Yes. So you can see the levels. Yeah, the levels of the biggest one, and you can see the. Okay, good job. Group Gachawan, you did great explanation, but kalian semua juga sama-sama ngasih direction yang clear, and then next we're going to more explanation about the differentiation of to local and to foreign. So for to local, you can use the favorite landmarks that we have discussed before, and then you can mention the popular place, and then it can more be casual. So you don't need to apa ya, kayak informal banget, kayak kita harus ke kiri lalu ke kanan, nggak perlu seperti itu. Jadi langsung mention aja di depan unet kak, di sampingnya unet kak, di depannya komedi kak, gitu like that. And then for to foreign, you need to use clear street names because they're not familiar about our area, and they maybe don't know ini jalan apa ya, kalau jalan Kalimantan itu sebelah mana ya, they maybe don't know. And then you can use simple English. And the next, give step-by-step direction. So we need to explain, like I said before, turn left, turn right, turn forward to use expression of direction. And then use polite expression. So you need to be polite and give clear direction because mereka orang asing ya, mereka baru ada di sini. So you need to give a good impression to them. Okay. Maybe. Okay, so it's time to play a game, everyone. So I just need 2 students to come forward to play a game, and then I will give some reward if you can answer the questions clearly, correctly. Okay, so are you ready to play the game?
Yes.
So the game is called Where Is It? So you need to stick the right place in the map, maybe in here, maybe in there, maybe in there, maybe in there, by the clue I will give you. Here's the sample, and after I read the clue, you need to stick this place to the right place. Okay. Is it clear enough?
Yes.
Okay, are you understand?
Yes.
Are you ready to play again?
Yes.
I can hear you. Are you ready to play again?
Yes.
Okay, so for the first play, I will count 1, 2, 3, and you can raise your hand. Okay, so 1, 2, everyone. 1, 2. It's up to you, 1, 2, 3. Chacha, yeah, please come forward.
Look, one is there.
Okay, so I will explain the instruction first. So I will give clue dari tempatnya dulu. Lalu setelah kamu pick tempatnya, saya akan kasih clue buat ini directionnya. Okay, so jadi dulu nih berarti. Okay, you can pick ini. Okay, so please listen carefully and pay attention. So students study here. School. You can pick. After I reach, you can pick. Okay, so the direction is start from the park. Go straight along Maple Street, and then turn left at the traffic light onto Pine Street. Leftnya apa nih? Leftnya ini. Sorry. So the place is next to flower shop. Ini. Let's stay here. Stay here, Jajan. Let's check together. So the direction is start from the park, go straight along Marble Street, and then turn left, traffic light onto Pine Street. Here's the Pine Street, and then the place is next to the flower shop. Is it correct, everyone? Yes, this is correct. Okay, good job, Jaja. Thank you very much. Thank you, Miss. Okay, so for the second player, guys, will count 1, 2, 3, and you can raise your hand. Okay, are you okay, Jaja? Are you okay? Okay, Miss. Okay, so 1, 2, 2, everyone. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Sorry, I can see clearly, and then I will count it. 1, 2, 3. Okay, hear me. The rule is sick people go there. Hospital. Okay. So the direction is start from the shopping mall and then go straight along Main Street until you reach the traffic light, and then turn right onto Pine Street. The place is before the bank. Where is it? Okay, let's check together. Okay, everyone, please pay attention. Start from the shopping mall and then go straight along Main Street until you reach the traffic light. Then turn right onto Pine Street. The place is before the bank. The bank, is it correct?
Yes.
Okay, good job, Hilmi. Thank you very much for your participation.
Thank you, Miss.
Oke, buat teman-teman yang nggak dapat, it's okay. You still did such a great job today, and maybe next time I will give you some reward and you can more active. Okay, so I can give you the reward. Okay, so it's time to reflection. So what we have learned today, everyone? Direction. So what is the expression of direction? Right. Good job. Go straight. Good job, Iris. Landmarks. We also learned about landmarks. Okay. So what's the differences about when we are giving direction to local people and we are giving direction to foreign?
To local people, we just mention the landmarks,
Mhm.
and then the foreign, we have to give clear direction.
Yes. Okay. So why we should give a clear instruction or direction to foreign?
Karena belum familiar.
Karena belum familiar. Oke, thank you very much, Caca. That's all. Or anything else? That's all. Okay, so today we have learned direction to the listening activity. We also learned expression of direction, and then we also explore the differences when we are giving direction to local and to foreign. And to local, we just only need to mention landmarks, and for foreign we need to give clear direction. Okay, because foreign are not familiar with our country and our area, right? Okay, so maybe that's all for today, and for the next week we're going to learn about narrative text. So please prepare text for next week. Maybe that's all. Thank you very much for your nice attention and your great participation today. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Okay, thank you very much, Linda. Now let's listen to Tisha's comments about the performance.
Thank you, Ida. You did very well in this last performance. Oke, langsung aku mau ke openingnya. Dari awal sampai akhir aku senang banget Ida belajar. Iya, bedanya. Terus setelah itu si Iza juga ngasih penjelasan di PowerPoint kayak kalau local people itu kayak giving familiar landmarks, terus kalau foreign itu pakai street name, terus simple English kayak gitu. Terus game activity-nya ini menurut aku juga udah fun pakai kayak gini, tapi mungkin better kalau di medianya ini dikasih arah mata angin atau kayak dikasih arah kayak kanannya ini atau kiri ini, jadi kan gak bingung harusnya dari mana tadi. Tapi ini udah fun banget dan menarik banget menurut aku. Terus di closingnya juga Iza udah jelasin all materials, terus reflect tadi juga summarize gimana caranya masih arah ke lokal, terus gimana kalau ke foreign kayak gitu. Terus pertanyaan-pertanyaan di reflection kayak yang why should we give clear direction itu juga udah which is good. Terus summarizing juga udah komplit dari awal sampai akhir explanation juga udah bagus. Tapi mungkin asis elemennya kalau di topik ini emang agak susah ya. Buat ngambil creative culture-nya ini mungkin agak susah PR banget kayaknya sih. Tapi so far Iza udah bawa ininya dengan bagus dan perfect.
Thank you, Tisha.
Okay, thank you, Tisha, for the feedback and solution. And now let's hear what Cindy has to say.
Thank you, Iza, for the great performance. Menurut aku dari awal Iza udah bagus banget dari opening sampai closing bagus. Terus di awal kita udah dua albumnya udah kayak sebelum. Terus Iza juga nanya menjelaskan suara giving direction dan Iza benar-benar listen sekali. Terus Iza juga give the sign the students to say, terus provide clear instruction buat tiap activity, audionya clear dan udah 2 kali play. Terus itu juga udah monitoring siswa partisipasi tadi, ambilnya di kelas, terus kita juga tadi udah give example langsung dari siswanya tadi. Terus tadi juga ada rewardnya dari awal siswanya tadi udah semangat dari awal. Terus aku suka gamenya sih, itu seru dan interesting banget menurut aku. Tapi mungkin sama kayak yang Tisha bilang tadi, mungkin sebaiknya dikasih merasa yang biar enggak bingung kayak saya tadi. Terus summarize-nya di akhir juga udah mantap. Ada from major landmark for clear direction karena belum familiar with our area. Mungkin bulannya cuma itu ya, Iza sama ini di lesson plan-nya nggak langsung gini, nggak dengar. Di lesson plan-nya nggak provide worksheet-nya. Oh iya, aku tadi lupa sih.
Okay, thank you very much, Cindy, for the feedback and evaluation. Alright, Iza, I'm happy with the topic because no one has ever taken this before, right? Even though this topic is challenging to find in the ICC, it's just like what? Saya mikir lagi gimana ICC itu ya? Yes, it is challenging. It's like mau dibawa kemana ya ICC-nya? But you still you managed to find anything to insert, even though mungkin itu struggling ini di sebelah mana bisa kita lakukan. Bisa comment. What is here? Okay. And then the next thing, mungkin awal-awalnya tadi kayak di bagian awal ngerasa agak mulainya agak kaku dikit gitu ya. Tapi setelah 3 menit udah jalan, everything is gone. Yang tadi yang agak kaku semacam kamu berusaha ingat selanjutnya gimana ya? Gitu kan? Kerasa nggak? Iya. Ternyata di awal-awal saja, but that's okay. That's perfectly fine. What you did after that is marvelous, really good job. You did a really good job. Starting from the set induction is clear, tidak ada yang miss di set induction. And then the questions, the explanation itu bagus banget. Explanation itu jelas banget. Bahkan sampai ketika group work, kamu tetap mendampingi mereka. Hanya sekedar ada yang tidak mengerti, aku banget, but you explain, harus begini, kalau begini seperti ini, things like that. And the idea of local person and foreigner is it's something that I have never thought before. Saya nggak kira kalau direction itu bisa dibawa sampai situ gitu. Which is really great. It is a very good idea. Jadi akan tampak perbedaannya kalau sama orang lokal memang betul like what you said. Langsung lihat aja famous landmark on there. But with foreigner you have to be clear on what street it is gitu ya. Not only go right, go left, but you have to be clear. Setelah ini jalan Masjid misalnya. After jalan Masjid you will see cross section and then you have to turn left for jalan Kalimantan and go like that. The explanation is clear. And you also discuss what is the difference between the two. And then the media, I love it. Okay, both the Canva and the conventional media. Usually we see that only in books, right? Biasanya kan kita ngeliatnya cuma dalam buku aja kan, buku paket gitu kan. But now you put it into the action, the real, the bigger ones, which makes it fun. Mungkin kalau versinya nanti dengan kelasnya lebih gede, kan buat lebih kecil lagi tokonya, jadi biar bisa lebih banyak. Karena di sekolah ya mungkin ya, mungkin ada topik gitu, itu akan fun banget. Cuman mungkin tadi akhirnya bingung ya, kanan kiri komentarnya sama Alicia sama ini. Mungkin dikasih arah matanya. Kalau saya nyarankan ya tadi saya catat itu pakai orang-orangan. Jadi left side-nya itu left side-nya dia. Jadi nanti kalau misalnya seperti itu ya, yang jalan bukan rumah sakitnya, atau apa tadi, school ya, bukan place-nya, tapi yang jalan orangnya. Nah, kalau yang jalan orangnya misalnya dia jalan dari park, kayak gini ya, terus ketemu lampu merah, terus belok kiri, nah kirinya dia kan akhirnya, left akhirnya ke sini. Mungkin itu lebih visualnya lebih gampang ya, things like that. But the way you run your game over here, I really like it because why? This is the place where people go to school. Nah, mereka selalu ngambil itu dulu. This is a good thing. Jadi nggak hanya the school is langsung begitu tidak, tapi mereka harus nebak dulu itu tempat apa. And then starting with the follow the direction. This is really great, and the visual is so good. Okay, kemudian stimulus variation-nya dapat, terus reinforcement-nya juga oke, explanation oke, question bagus. Grouping juga keren. Tadi masalah listening-nya itu juga sangat jelas diulangi 2 kali, so they can have a good opportunity to catch what the audience says. And apa lagi ya tadi ya, sudah quotient-nya juga sangat jelas. Mungkin PR-nya masih di ICC karena memang berat. Saya juga gak kebayang kalau bisa dibawa kemana ya Tis ya. Diusung kemana, jadi saya juga gak usah ngasih saran di situ ya. Tapi memang tidak semua topik memang bisa kita paksakan untuk ICC. Iza sudah bisa membawa lokal sama foreign nanti udah keren banget. Okay, all in all this is very good. Thank you and good job on doing that.